Good morning, children. Today in this class, I am going to do problems 5 and 6 in exercise 4. Okay, now let us see the fifth problem. In the figure, angle BAD is equals to 3 angle DBA. Find angle CDB, angle DBC, and angle ABC. Okay, here once again I am saying here they have given angle BAD. BAD is equals to 3 DBA, angle DBA. Okay, here we have to find out angle at A is equals to the 3 times of angle at B. Okay, now we have to find the angle at B and angle at A. Okay, now let here angle DBA equals to x degrees. Let us assume that angle DBA is x degrees. Then angle BAD equals to 3x degrees. 3x degrees. Okay. By using the given information, here angle at B is equals to x degrees and angle at A equals to 3x degrees. Okay, from that we can write angle DBA plus angle BAD plus angle ADB equals to 180 degrees. From the angles of property here, from the triangle ADB, we can write the sum of all interior angles equals to 180 degrees. Okay, from that angle DBA is x degrees plus angle BAD is 3x degrees and angle ADB here angle ADB here the angle ABD is 104 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then 3x plus x 4x plus 104 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then 4x degrees equals to 180 minus 104 degrees. From that we can write then x equals to 76 divided by 4. Then 4 ones 4 90s. Here x equal to 19 degrees. Then here x means angle DBA. Here angle DBA is 19 degrees. Okay, like that angle BAD equals to 3x. Here we got the x value. X is 19 degrees. Then 3 into 19 equals to 57 degrees. Okay, 19 degrees 57. Then we can write the angle BAD. Angle BAD 57 degrees. Okay, like that we can find the angles in the triangle ADB. Okay, here we have find the angle BAD and angle DBA. Okay, now let us see the angle CDB. Here we have to find angle CDB. Okay, here the angle at D we have to find. Okay, before that is that angle DBC. Okay, now angle DBC plus angle DCB equals to here from the exterior angle property angle DBC plus angle DCB is equals to 104 degrees. From the property of exterior angle of triangle we can write the exterior angle of the given triangle BDC 104 degrees equals to angle B plus angle C. Okay, that is why we can write angle DBC plus angle DCB is equals to 104 degrees. Okay, Now angle DBC we don't know the angle DBC value, then angle DBC plus angle DCB here, that is 65 degrees, then 104 degrees. From that angle DBC equals to 104 degrees minus 65 degrees. Okay, from that we can write angle DBC is equals to 39 degrees. Angle DBC. Okay, here one of the parameter angle DBC we have find angle DBC is 39 degrees. Angle DBC. Okay, this is 39 degrees. Okay, after finding the DBC, we can find angle ABC. Okay, from that we can find angle ABC. Angle ABC, angle ABC. Okay, in the triangle ABC, we have to find the angle at A, angle at B. Okay, from that further we have to add the angle ABD, angle ABD plus, and then angle DBC. Okay, then angle ABC is equals to ABD is 19 degrees plus the angle DBC is 39 degrees. Then finally angle ABC equals to 58 degrees. Okay, this is the one of the angle we have to find. And finally angle CDB, here this is the angle we have to find. Okay, here this angle, if you see, this is the linear angle. If you observe this is the straight line. Okay, here 104 degrees, then here the linear angle is 180 minus 104 degrees. Okay, now let us see angle CDB. Angle CDB equals to angle CDB plus angle CDB plus, and then angle ADB plus angle ADB equals to 180 degrees from linear angles. From linear pair of angles, we can write angle CDB plus, and then angle ADB. Okay, angle CDB, we don't know the angle CDB value. Then from angle ADB equals to ADB is 104 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Then angle CDB equals to 180 minus 104 degrees. Then angle CDB equals to 76 degrees. Okay, here it is 76 degrees. Okay, in this way we can find the given angles. Once again I am saying, in the given figure angle BAD equals to 3 angle DBA. Okay, this is the given condition. Then we have to find angle CDB, DBC and ABC. Okay, now they had given, let us assume that angle DBA equal to x degrees. From the given condition angle BAD is equals to 3x degrees. Okay, from that, from the triangle BDC, we can find the triangle BAD value. Okay, after finding the triangle BAD, we can easily find the DBA. Okay, after that we have to find the main parameters that are angle CDB. Okay, CDB we can find CDB with the help of CDB. Okay, with the help of linear pair of angles, we can find the angle CDB is 76 degrees. Okay, after that angle DBC, the sum of two interior angles of triangle is equals to the exterior angle triangle. Then from that property we can write angle DBC plus angle DCB. Okay, finally angle DBC is 39 degrees, and here angle ABC means the entire angle at which B. So 19 plus 39, 15 degrees. Okay, now let us see the next problem, sixth problem. Sixth problem is find the values of x and y in the following. Now let us see the first problem. Okay, this is the first problem. The figure is, this is the triangle they had given. Here they had given 70 degrees, and then here x degrees, and this is also y degrees, and this is the isosceles triangle. Okay, this is the triangle in the first problem. Okay, here if you observe clearly, it is the isosceles triangle. Why? Because the two opposite sides are equal in the given triangle. Okay, from that we can write the, according to the property of equal sides, opposite equal sides, the angles of opposite sides are equal. So since the angles of opposite sides, equal opposite sides of a triangle are equal. From this property we can write x equals to y. Okay, now since from anglism property, we can write the sum of all angles in the triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Then and 70 degrees plus x degrees plus y degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, here we can substitute the y instead of, okay, in the place of x. Okay, now 70 degrees plus x degrees, then x degrees. Here we can substitute x value instead of y, because the opposite angles of equal opposite sides are equal in the isosceles triangle. From that property we can write x equal to y. So then all the sum of angles in the right angle in the triangle is 180 degrees. From that we can write here 2x equals to 180 minus 70 degrees, then 2x equals to 110 degrees, then x equals to 110 divided by 2, then 2 ones and 2 55s, and finally x equal to 55 degrees, x equal to 55 degrees. Okay, like that, then x equal to y equal to 55 degrees. Okay, once again I am saying here the given figure is the isosceles triangle. So the opposite sides of isosceles triangle are having equal angles. So here x equal to y. From that condition and from that property we can write the sum of all angles in the triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, here x equal to y. So instead of y we can replace x. Then we will find the x value. If you find the x value, then the y is also equal to x. So x equal to y equal to 55 degrees. Now let us see the second problem. The second problem. Here it is the given triangle. Here had given x degrees and y degrees, and this is the equilateral triangle they had given, and 50 degrees is one of the angle of the triangle. Okay, here we have to find the x and y in the given figure. Okay, this is also isosceles triangle. So from the property of opposite sides, opposite angles of equal opposite sides are equal in the isosceles triangle. Okay, from this property we can write angle y equals to 50 degrees. Angle y equals to 50 degrees. Okay, from that, here the interior opposite angles are y degrees and y and 50 degrees. Okay, y equals to 50 degrees. From that we can write from the property of exterior angle, since the exterior angle property we can write the sum of opposite interior angles is equals to the exterior angle of the triangle. Then x degrees equals to y plus 50 degrees. Then x equals to 50 plus 50. Then x equals to 100 degrees. Okay, then finally x equal to 100 degrees. Once again I am saying here they had given the isosceles triangle from the opposite angles of equal sides, so equal opposite sides are equal. So the given condition y equals to 50 degrees, from the exterior angle property we can write x equals to y plus 50 degrees, then y equals to 50 degrees, then we will get the x is 100 degrees. And let us see the third problem. This is the given triangle. This is also isosceles triangle, and the angles are y degrees and x degrees, and the vertical opposite angle is 30 degrees here. Here the vertical opposite angle is 30 degrees. Then we have to find the x and y degrees in the given figure. Okay, this is the given figure. Then we have to find the x and y. Okay, since from vertical opposite angles are equal, from vertical opposite angles equal. So here vertical opposite angles are y equals to 30 degrees. Here 30 degrees equals to y. Okay, since from this we can write angle y degrees equals y equal to 30 degrees. Here y equals to 30 degrees. Then we have to find x. Okay, to find x, if you see the problem clearly, here it is also isosceles triangle. Okay, from that we can write here y degrees, and here also these two sides are equal, so these two are the opposite sides. Okay, for that, from the equal sides or from the isosceles triangle property we can write here, if it is the y degrees, then this is also y degrees. Okay, now since from opposite sides equal, from opposite sides of isosceles triangle have the opposite angles, have equal opposite angles. Have equal opposite angles. So from this property, we can write angle y at the, here it is the, if it is the angle y degrees, then it is also y degrees. Okay. Now we have to find x. Okay. To find x, we can use the angle sum property. Since from angle sum property, we can write x degrees plus y degrees plus y degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, from this we can write x degrees plus 2y degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then y equals to 30 degrees. X degrees plus 2 half 30 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then x degrees equals to 180 minus 60 degrees. 2 30 means 60 degrees. Then from that x equals to 180 minus 60 means 120 degrees. Here x equals to 120 degrees. Okay. Once again I am saying, here they had given a triangle, the angles x, y, and the vertical opposite angle is 30 degrees. From the property of vertical opposite angles, then we have y equals to 30 degrees. Okay. Here they had given the isosceles triangle. From the property of isosceles triangle, the opposite angles in the equal opposite sides are equal. So if it is y, then the other angle also y. Okay. We have now the three angles of the triangle. From that, the sum of all angles in the triangle is equals to 180 degrees. By substituting the values, known value, we can find the unknown value x. Okay. Then x equal to 120 degrees and y equal to 30 degrees. In the next class, we will see about the more problems based on the extra angle property. Thank you, children.